In Python, the endswith string method is a method that will return true if a specified character is at the end of a string, and it will return false if that specified character is not at the end of the string. So here we have 3 strings, and we might want to check to see if at the end of the first string there's an exclamation point. So we'll go ahead and print the string and check to see using the endswith method if it ends with an exclamation point. Since it does, this should return true. And you can see that it does. Now let's go ahead and check to see if that first string ends with a period. And so we should see that it comes out false. And it does, it comes out false. We don't need to check to see if a single character is found at the end. Instead, we can give as a value to the endswith method a tuple. So for example, let's say we wanted to check to see if there was a period or an exclamation point or a question mark at the end of the first string. So we can go ahead and give as a value a tuple to the endswith method. And so when we run it, we should see it comes out as true. The same thing if we made it string 2, again, we're going to check to see if it has one of these 3 characters. And if we run it, we should see it true because the second string ends in a period. And the same thing is true for the third string. We should see a true because the endswith ends with a exclamation point. The endswith method has 2 optional parameters, a start and end. So for example, let's go ahead and take our third string here, use the endswith method on it, and then we want to check to see if there's a question mark, but we don't want to check the very end of the string. Instead, we want to start searching around 10, which would be our start. And so rather than searching the very last character here, we want to see if the second to last character is a question mark. So we'll use the -1 to search all the way to the end, but not including the end. And so it should return true here. And so if we go ahead and do this, it returns true.